ChatGPT agent is here, so let's take a look at what it is and what it can do, and I'll share an example of how I use this tool for social media research. Agent combines three key ChatGPT tools. The first is intelligence and ability to converse in a human-like way. The second is deep research, which conducts multi-step research on the internet for complex tasks. And the third one, which is new to most of us, is Operator. Operator can go to the web to perform tasks for you on its own built-in browser. ChatGPT says you can use Agent to, for example, look at and analyze your calendar, plan and buy ingredients for a meal, or analyze competitors and create a slide deck. I decided to do parts of that last one. I asked Agent to go to Instagram and find accounts for college journalism schools in Iowa, Missouri, Minnesota, and Kansas, create a list of those accounts sorted by the number of followers. I noticed right away that it was struggling to get access to Instagram, so I stopped and asked if I could log in for it. I could. It gave me access to its browser so I could log in. I don't recommend giving passwords to Agent. It even warned of the dangers, and it stopped working if I went to another tab in my browser while I was logged in. It was able to use its own browser to find and visit accounts and record the number of followers and give me a list of them in order of the number of followers. I asked Deep Research to do the same thing out of curiosity, and it was able to do the exact same thing with the same numbers, so I needed to go a little deeper with Agent. I asked Agent to give me the average number of likes for the last 10 posts on the top account. Deep Research could not do this, saying it did not have access to view the number of likes, but Agent did with no problem. It took 4 minutes to get an answer. Next, I wanted to give it something that involved using ChatGPT's intelligence, so I asked it to look through the MU JSchool account and tell me what sort of posts get the most likes on the account. 4 minutes later, it had classified posts as high, moderate, and low engagement. It summarized that, quote, high quality photos that spotlight campus scenery or behind the scenes experiences and celebrations involving students, alumni, or events got the most likes. Finally, I wanted to see if it could interact on Instagram. I told it to comment, "Welcome to Drake," on the most recent Drake JMC post. It found the post, drafted a comment, then asked me if it was okay before it hit the post button. I approved and the comment was posted. This is a big step forward for generative AI. The ability of Agent to take over and do things in the browser is definitely impressive. I highly recommend giving Agent a try. It's available to paid accounts only currently.